Yo, my brother scared of the vacuum cleaner. Look, this dude running. He gonna get you, Justice. The vacuum cleaner. Oh. Oh, that's so scary. Gosh, it. Ah, got him. Oh, that must be a breakout. Oh, my bad. Ah!
In the room. Where's my phone, Jordan?
I don't know. Justice had it.
Where's my phone?
For real, I don't know. Justice had it.
I gave my phone to you.
Justice.
Where is my phone?
Might be under here. I'm staying up for a while.
It's time for y'all to go to bed. Stop pushing on the damn TV. What's wrong with you?
Alright. I should have recorded it. You know, I'm just gonna record this boy. What you gonna do? Donna. No. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Justy. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Come here. Justice, come get me. Come get me, Justy. Yeah. Oh, he got me. 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 Got you. Come get me. Yeah. Come get me, Justy. Oh, broke ankles. I broke his ankles. What's up? Come at me, bro. I'm gonna go check. Nope, it's nowhere in the trash. Come get me, Justice. Justice, come get me. Come get me. I'm gonna get you. Donna. You're boom. 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 Come get me. Come get me, Justy. Yeah. Want to say hi? Say hi. 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 Yay. Hi. 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 Justy, look, I can see you. Where is Jack? Where is Jack? I'm scaring him. Watch this. Ah! Where you going? Guys, look at these. Come get me, Justy. Yeah. He has me. He has me. Justice got me. Come here. Come get me, Justice. Look. Oh, I'm gonna get him. Where are you going? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. They just do. Until they got him.
Go to bed. Go turn your TV on. Go turn your cartoons on.
Oh.
Night night.
Come here. Come here.
Night night.
Come on. Come on. Dana. Yeah, Nana. No, 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 no. Bed. You're a bed. Look. Look, man. Stop. Look. No, no. Look. I got it. You lay down. What's up? Guys. I forgot what I was gonna say, but yeah, get back in your bed. Let's go on YouTube. Guys, we are gonna watch some Vines. Leave it alone. My bad. Justice, I swear. Okay, never mind. Wait, turned off the TV. Hey! In the bed. Get in the bed. Oh, guys, what do you want to watch today? Do you want to watch Vine? Oh, okay, I already said that. Just give me a second. We're gonna watch Vines and H.O. Delirious. Alright, give me a moment. I gotta type it in. What's up? Yeah, this is boring. I can't not see. Look at Jake Paul. We are gonna go on H.O. Delirious. Guys, my mom just said there's a hurricane coming, you know? My mom said it might come, but it's very dangerous. I'll be back with you in a second. Alright, I'm back. Watch this. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I have to end the video for now, but stay tuned. Oh yeah. You know, like, guys, please. I want 1 million subscribers. If y'all can, I mean, no. If y'all can give me 1 million likes, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the notifications. Oh yeah, and comment down below, like, what was your favorite part of the video? Because I really gotta go to bed now, you know. Yeah. I'll do a video about Fortnite. Tomorrow. See ya. Peace.